Welcome back to the Manifestation Minute. I'm your host, Curio Seraphim. Today, we're diving into episode 15, the Law of Divine Oneness, Unity of All Things. So let's not waste a second and get right into it. The Law of Divine Oneness teaches us that everything in the universe is interconnected, that we are all part of the same cosmic tapestry. This concept may seem abstract, but it holds profound implications for our daily lives. Imagine that you are a drop of water in the vast ocean of existence. While you may appear separate, you are fundamentally connected to the entire ocean. In the same way, we may perceive ourselves as separate beings, but in reality, we are all interconnected. This interconnectedness means that the energy we put out into the world, whether positive or negative, has a ripple effect. When we radiate love, kindness, and positivity, it not only benefits us, but also influences the collective energy of the universe. Conversely, when we emit negativity, anger, or hatred, it too ripples through the interconnected web of existence, affecting not only ourselves, but others as well. So, how can we apply this law in our lives? By cultivating mindfulness and awareness. Recognizing the unity of all things can inspire empathy, compassion, and a sense of responsibility for the energy we bring into the world. As you go about your day, remember that your actions, thoughts, and emotions contribute to the collective energy of the universe. Embrace the law of divine oneness and strive to be a positive force in this interconnected cosmos. That's it for today's Manifestation Minute, episode 15, the law of divine oneness, unity of all things. I'm Curio Seraphim, urging you to embrace the profound unity of all things and manifest positivity in your life. Stay tuned for more insightful episodes, and as always, remember that the power to manifest your dreams lies within you. Until next time, keep radiating positivity and watch the universe respond.